Hey, good morning everyone. I wanted to shoot this video for you on this morning to give you some examples of the types of posts that you can use. Basically, it's done in 3 steps here. These are some examples from some past students I wanted to share with you using the 3-step formula that we just did. Part 1 is if I could show you, oops, I just lost my screen. Part 1 is if I can show you a way to keep memories of loved ones with you always. Would you want to know how? Comment below. So remember, this type of post here, you are going to be the one with the knowledge, with the influence, right? And so the first section is if I can show you blank. You know, if I could show you how to lose 10 pounds, if I could show you how to, make all A's, or if I can show you how to improve your memory. You know, you want to use the if-then kind of thing. And so would you want to know is right here. Would you want to know how? Or would you like to take a peek? You know, put your own opinion, your own spin on this. It's really quite simple. And then her command is telling people what to do, because remember, people won't do this on their own. They like to be told what to do. So she's telling you comment yes below. So on her post here, these are all the comments on this particular post. Again, it does not have to have anything to do with your business whatsoever. Basically, it's just about getting people to comment, to build that engagement, to continue building those relationships. Another one I'm going to show you an example of. Is here. If I could show you how to lose 30 pounds in 30 days, would you want in? That's a direct question, right? People can't scroll by questions without answering them. Comment yes below and I'll be in touch. And so these are the comments that she received on this one, right? Now, a little tip here, what I would do in this one is I would space it out a little bit more. So if I could show you how to lose 30 pounds in 30 days, would you want in? I would actually put a space here, but maybe, remember, you only have so many characters when you use these blocks, so she might not have had enough space to do that. And then comment yes, I would have put yes in quotations below and I'll be in touch. Use emojis in these. Facebook's algorithm likes the emojis. GIFs are good to use in this also as well. So keep that in mind. And then our third example is if I could show you a way to build your confidence to start doing Facebook Lives, would you take a peek? Remember, just keep it short and simple as she's done. Her question is really short. So section 1 is the if I section, if I could section. So her section is if I could blank. And remember, there's the PDF attached with more examples to help guide you along the way. Section 2 is would you want to take a peek, or would you want to take a look, or would you want to know more? And then section 3 is the command, what you want them to do. Comment below or drop hands up in the comments, whatever that is. She's telling them what to do. So I hope these examples help. Remember, again, there is the PDF attached, so be sure and download that PDF and post your homework in the group here. If you get stuck or need questions, post what your question is down here in the comments too. And some other people in the group, you guys are welcome to give suggestions, like if you're not sure if this sounds right or whatever. Definitely welcome to do that as well. And then once, if you feel confident and bold enough to post your question of authority or influence on your profile page, definitely do so. Let us know here in the group, and also private message me so I can go by and show your post some support. Have a great day. Bye for now. I look forward to seeing your homework. See ya tomorrow.